Say hello, we're already home. Woo-hoo. Say hello, we're already home. Woo-hoo. We're already home.
Sanig. So ngayon 2 ka na, sana next year 3 ka na. Hindi, sanig. Wala lang, sana grow up healthy and God-fearing person. And just stay sweet.
Siyempre, si
Wowo
Wowo.
and Wawa, love you very much.
You know naman na love ka namin. Sana maging matalino ka pang bata, maging mabuti kang anak sa mommy and daddy.
Happy birthday, Sanig! We love you!
We're already home. Woo-hoo. Say hello, we're already home. Woo-hoo. We're already home.
Mga memories ni San Meg nung una ko siyang makita kasi galing ako ng abroad nung pag-uwi ko. Hindi ko na pinanganak sa, lang, pictures lang and stuff, you know. Pero nung makita ko, very happy ako kasi very healthy siya and very smart kid. Yun nga, na stay healthy, stay happy, at saka stay super active and super smart kid. Na talagang it's like a small sponge, you know. Happy second birthday and then next birthday and many, many more birthdays, okay? I love you, honey.
Don't need anything but don't want anything but come and let it rescue me, 'cause all I need is
Sancho from his late grandfather, Sancho. And then the second name is Miguel. So, in short, Sanig.
Sanig.
Yeah.
Good health, lumakas siya ng maayos, healthy, kind, and especially happy. So enjoy niya yung childhood years niya hanggang sa paglaki and maging mabuting anak siya sa akin.
Wish ko sa'yo, lumaki ka na mabait, may takot sa Diyos, at syempre, mapagmahal sa aming parents mo, sa lola at lola mo, sa mga tita mo, tito mo, cousins mo, lahat. Ayun, love you na.
don't need anything but don't want anything but come and let it rescue me, 'cause all I need is
Sanig, I promise to do everything na palakihin ka ng maayos regardless kung financially or any support. As long as you're happy and you know what you're doing or what you want in life, we are here to support you 101%. We're behind your back always. We're tougher on your back and 100% support.
Promise ko sa'yo na I'm always here for you sa lahat ng bagay. I will support you kahit anong gusto mo, paglaki mo. So, we'll be patient sa lahat ng tantrums mo. Ayun.
Happy birthday, Sanig! We love you!
don't need anything but
Happy birthday, Sunny!
Happy birthday, Sunny! Happy birthday, Sunny!